Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how does Chase Pay over time work. Start by opening the Chase app on your phone. Make sure you are logged in using your username and password. Once you are inside the app, you will see your main dashboard. Next, tap on the credit card account you want to use. This will open your credit card details and recent activity. Scroll down through your transaction list. Look for a purchase that is $100 or more. You also need to check that it has the Pay Over Time label next to it. Not all purchases qualify, so this label is important. Once you find an eligible purchase, tap on it. This will open the transaction details screen. Here, you will see an option that says Set up a plan. Tap on that option. If you do not see it here, you can scroll further down on your account screen and find a Pay Over Time section. Now you will be asked to choose a plan duration. You can usually select from options like 3, 6, or 12 months. As you choose each option, the app will show you the monthly payment amount and any fees. This helps you understand the total cost before you decide. Take a moment to review all the details carefully. When you are ready, confirm your selection. This will activate your payment plan. Thanks for watching.